Hello, this is William. So here I'm going to introduce my final project, which is just a clock, a digital clock. So right here you can see the servo motor, you can see the display, the LCD screen. Here's a RL remote receiver, and this is the remote control. So right now I'm going to demonstrate how I'm going to use the control to change the display on the LCD screen, and um, later I can show you like how different buttons will do different jobs. So here we come.
Okay, right now here, okay, so I press 1, right here, 1, and then it displays the temperature here and the time here, according to the real time, day and time. So we can see that it works. And when I press number 2, then it will change it to a large digit display, which also works as well.
Yeah, so as we have seen, it works pretty good. So now we can test it again to see if it's repeatable without resetting the Arduino. Okay.
Yeah, so right here, if I press 1, and it will reset the screen, and then it will display the first mode again. So as you can see, this program works repeatedly and is good to go.
Okay. Now I'm going to introduce like each of the four components, which is the um, remote control, the servo motor, the receiver of the IO remote, and also the LCD screen. And I'm going to like talk about how it works to make this clock work properly. So as you can see, this servo, it has a pointer, right? And we have these markings here, and this is according to the display on the LCD screen. So it can kind of show us um, like even from a distance, that we can see what temperature is right now, like in the room or in the environment, like without really looking close to the display here, to the small digit. So this is how the servo works. And as for the LCD screen, pretty obvious. It's just to display like the time, the seconds, the minutes, the temperature here, and the date. So it's kind of like a normal clock would do. And here you can see that there's a receiver for our remote control. And as we have demonstrated before, so it will receive signals from the remote control, and it will change the display on the LCD screen. Okay, so now I'm going to introduce the buzzer, which is an extra component for the clock. So I kind of set a time in my program that it will ring, it will like play a music when it reaches a certain time. So just for convenience, I will set a time to like a time that is closer to the current time. So maybe we can come over and look at the clock and see. Um, so when the seconds reaches 20, it should ring. Okay, so as we have heard, it rings like a normal clock. So it is pretty good. And the clock is still running, so I would call it's good. Thank you.